So in this video we will learn how to use the offset command in AutoCAD. So offset command is generally used to create the same line beside at your required distance. Okay, so for that here is the offset command. So I will select it. Okay, so this is the face of the plot. Okay, so here is the road. So for that I need to leave some space over here for staircase at this zone. So generally I need 5 to 5.5 feet. Okay, I will click on escape button. So I need to use I need to give a 5 feet distance before starting of the plan. So this is the outer layout, that is 30-40 side. So now I will click on this offset command and then I will select 5 and feet like this and then click on enter button. So now I will select this line and then you can take anywhere. Okay, it is asking me on which side it you need. So I need it and top side and I will click, I will give a click on it. Okay, that is left click. And one more time I need to leave a 2 feet distance over this side. So for that I will click on escape button. One more time you will go for offset and then select 2 and select the feet and then click on enter and then I will select like this. Okay, so behind also I need a 2 feet distance and this side I need 3 feet distance. Okay, so for that I will one more time I will go for offset command and then I will select 3 and then feet and then enter. So now I will click on this line on which side you need. Okay, I need inside, so I will click on it. So after that, so all these extra lines have to be trimmed off. Okay, so for that I will select this trim command and then enter space. So now drag the cursor. Okay, first click and then drag and second click like this you can trim. First click, drag, second click, first click, drag it and second click, first click, drag, second click, first click, drag it and second click. Likewise you can trim off all the extra lines. So now this will be the carpet area. Okay, so for that I will change the color of this. Okay, so likewise I will select all the lines and then I will make them white by layer I will use. Okay, so now I need to create a brick wall of 9 inch. Okay, inside. So for that one more time I will go for offset command and then I will select a 9 and now I will use the notation of inches. Okay, and then click on enter. So now I will select this main wall, outer wall, inside, and this line also it will come inside and this line also it will come inside. So one more time I need to trim off all these extra lines. So for that click on escape button first. Now it is free. So now I will come for a trim command over here and I will select this trim command and then click on space bar and then okay, one more time I will do, I will go for a trim command and then click on space bar and then drag it like this. Okay, first click, drag, second click, first click, drag, second click. Okay, likewise you can do first click, drag it, complete the second click, first click, drag it and second click. Likewise you can trim off the extra lines. Okay, in between. Now the whole outer walls of the plan are ready. Likewise you can use the trim command as well as the offset command.